2, 1.
Hi guys, it's Elliot, and today we're going to make moon sands. So, at first, you're going to need your sands, and you're going to have to use this whole entire cup. So let's do that. And guys, the last one did not work very good because it was sticking to my hands. So we thought that we had to add baby oil. Dad, what else do we add next?
Cornstarch. I'd go a cup of cornstarch.
I have no idea what a cup is.
I know, just dump some in and then I'll tell you like when it's up.
Okay.
Just pour the box in. What's wrong? It's stuck? Nothing's coming out. Okay, that's probably good.
Okay, you're gonna need that much.
Good. And then, sure.
We're gonna mix. Mix.
You're okay. You don't have to go fast. Nice and easy.
So now you're gonna add your baby oil.
Yeah. About a half cup.
Is that half?
Yeah, I thought it was about a half what was left in the bottle. Now, I'm not sure what's going to happen here. This could be a ruin. This could be an epic fail. Don't go too fast. Nice and easy. Yeah. We used water the last time and
Oh, I guess this is dark purple now. Let's just add water for safety.
not yet.
Let's add water. Didn't stick to me.
What?
Did not stick to me.
Good.
Okay guys, now what should we add?
Well, I think you should work it with your hands.
I'm gonna add a teeny bit of water.
Okay, I got some water here. Ready?
I can do it. Don't let's.
Okay.
Because I might just keep kneading this with my spoon
I think that's a good idea.
until like this looks good to go in. Oopsies. Okay, you guys. No sticking.
Did the other one stick?
What?
Did the other one stick? It did? A little bit?
Sort of sticking.
Do you think it needs more water? What does it need? It's sticking. What do you think it needs? Here, I'll give you some more water. You ready?
Yeah. Stop. Okay.
Mix it.
I don't know if that's too much.
I don't know either. Gotta work it. Work it. Work it. Work it. Oblique. If it's too much water, it turns into oblique. Keep going. Get up. Try to get all the sand off the edges and stuff. And mix it towards the middle where there's most of the water.
God, this is so gross. Should I go on with both hands, you guys?
Yes.
Okay.
And? Weird.
It's gross. Because this will
Too much water.
Like
Keep working it. Working it. Working it.
the last one was much better than this one.
Was it? Well, we might have put in too much water, but it'll dry out. The water will evaporate and then it'll be better.
So you guys, I'm thinking to mix these guys up.
I don't think that's a good idea. They're pretty colors now, and when you mix them, they're not going to be so pretty.
Let's do it.
All right.
Or should I? Come down low.
Maybe our next YouTube we can mix them.
If I still want to.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna keep you guys on. Okay.
You done?
No. Just gonna keep. You guys, don't be worried, cause this come off super easy. All you need is a little bit of soap and some water to get this off.
Yep.
Gotta get up. You guys, you hear that?
You know what you might need is more cornstarch.
You got it?
Mhm.
Right here, let me see. Hey guys, my dad's adding it. Okay, I think that's good. You guys, this is becoming good now. Yeah, you guys, cornstarch helped it. But it might turn into lots of crumbles.
Well, then we have to add a little bit more water. Ready?
Good. If that was too much.
We'll see.
Turn. Can't wait.
Just gotta get all the ingredients combined.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys in the next video. So bye, peace. Oh my goodness, peace.